Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy to come your way this morning. This morning we want to look at the valve here. This valve is used to control the flow of fluid, especially water in our homes. We want to be able to draw this by using AutoCAD. So straight away we will go into AutoCAD and then see how best we can draw that. So the first thing that we're going to look at is to draw our center line. To draw this our center line, and then we're also going to have a center line here. Now, so first of all, let's also try and then see whether we can calculate the length and then breadth of the valve, so that we can draw a confined area within which we want to do our valve. So this is 20 plus 130, making 150, plus 20, 170, 170 plus 80, making 250, and then 250 plus 10 here, making 260. So we can maybe probably say that we are going to say maybe 400 against 60 plus 20, which is 80, 80 plus 90, which is 170, 170 plus 150, which is going to be 320, 320 plus 20, which is going to be 340. So we can say there may be 400 by 500. We can draw our confined area 400 by 500. So I pick on rectangle. See that I should specify first corner point. The first corner point is going to be 0,0, and then the other corner point is going to be x is going to be 500, and then the y is going to be 400. So I've drawn it. It cannot be seen, so I can zoom, Z, enter, then I choose all to bring. So this is the rectangle in which I'm going to draw. So to do it in the middle, I want to make sure that my object snap tracking is on. So I want to track here, track the center to draw. I make sure my F8 is on, so that auto is on, so that I can draw my enter. Then also I can also draw the center line of this. Let me look at the radius of the circle. Okay, so the radius of the circle is 20. So I could also come somewhere here to draw the center of this, to make sure that it is very equal. I'll trim. Okay. I will mirror this line. This line. So that it's equal. I can then join these two lines. So let me change the color of the center line. I'm making it green. So that's okay. So from here, I can draw my circle of radius 20. So circle of radius. So I click on circle. I click here and say the radius is what? The radius is 20. So I draw my circle. Now from here, the next thing that I can do is that I can offset from here. This is 140. I can offset 70 here. So 70. I can offset 70. Offset. The offset distance is 70. I can go here, and then I can go here. Now from there, you could see that the distance from here to here, the distance from here to here, from the center to here is 10, because here is 20. So I can go here 10, and then come to pick the center. When I finish, let me zoom out. I can mirror this. So I'll pick my selection cyclic is on. That is why when I click on it, I had a green line. Let me do it again, because this is on. The selection cycling is on. So I want to mirror. So I click on this. Now because there is a black line and a green line, when I click on it, it gives me the option to choose. So I want the black line. I click on that, then I mirror it this way. Now from here I can trim, enter, so that then I can mirror. I click on this, I click on it, I click also on this, then I can use this as my center line to do that. So it means that I've been able to look at this part. Now the next thing is that I can offset here 10 and then offset here 10. So I come here and bring this here. So I come here, offset. Sorry, this is offset. So I go 10. I go here and I go here. Now what is happening is that the distance from the center to this side is 80. So this side is 80. So I'll offset 80 here. And then also you have to know that after offsetting 80, I can go 20 up. 20 up to get my 60 rectangle here. So that's I offset 20 up. Then I can go 30 here, 30 here, so I offset 30. So I go 30 here, I go 30 here, so that's I can. So this is the 60, and I can also this my. So it means that I've been able to do this, and then I've been able to do that. Now you could see that this is 80. The length of this very one is 80. I've already done it. So I can go here 40, I can go here 40. So the point is that I can go here, but because this line is already there and it's 60, so I can go here 10 and then also go here 10. I could as well as I could have mirrored. So this is 60 and then this is, so from there then I could draw a line, and I could also mirror this. I could offset this 20 and then 40 and then offset here 40. So I offset this line, offset 40. So I go here 40, I go here 40. So basically that's that. Now from there, so from here you could see that there is a line here, and this line is offset 100 for us to get the center line of this part. So I can offset this very line 100 and then come here. So this very line I can offset 100 and then come down. So that is the center line for the other part of the valve. So from there I can offset here 60, I can offset here 30, 30 and then 40, 40 to get this part. So all that I'm going to do is to offset 30. So this is the 30, this is the 30, and then also I can offset, enter, I can offset 40, go here, go here. So from there, let me try as much as possible. From the center line, I could offset 150, and then when I finish, I offset 20 to get that part. So I will offset from the center line. At this point, the green lines are becoming too much, so let me change this again to red, and then let me change this the center part here also to be red. Okay, so from here I could offset 150 and then 20. So offset 150, it's becoming slow. Let me do it again. So the offset distance is 150. Okay, the offset distance is 150. Enter. So I go. That is it. And I can offset 20 again. Come here. So from there, this is the 80. The distance from here to here is 80. Then I move here 20. So this is the 80. I can move here. The 80. I can move here 20. So this distance is 20. I can also move here 20. Now from there, there is a fillet here. The fillet distance was not given, but let me assume it to be. But the distance from here to here is 10, so I can use 10 so that it will join it here for us. So I can pick fillet, and I pick radius R, say 10. So I pick this, so that I get my listen. From there I can mirror. And select this as my center line to get it here done. So from there, if you look at the drawing, this line is there. So we have a line from here to here, and then from here joining here. Sorry. Here, like this. So basically, that's that. From there, I can also mirror this line, the black, pick it here, just like that. So from there, let me trim this. So basically, that's that. So you could see that we've been able to get this line, and then also get this line. Then we have this line, and then this line, we have a circle blending it, which has a radius of 50. So we can either use the tan or we can use the fillet. So we can use the fillet, and then say radius, and the radius is 50. So I'll just do it here. That's the black line. So that is done. And then from there, since I can also mirror this to get to the other side, I can mirror this to get to. Sorry, I can mirror this by picking here, here. So basically, that's that. From there, I can join this line to this. Good. So we are on track. From there, what we can do again is to know from here to here is 90, and then we can get to our 20 and then 60. So 90, 20, 60. So we can go offset 90, again, in, we can 90 20